Hi there, in this tutorial we're going to create the graph part or be able to represent our data in a way that people can understand a little bit easier than a whole bunch of numbers, which is one of the powerful things about Excel and something that we need to be aware of when dealing with large data sets. We're going to create a pie chart and we'll get straight into it. So here's my data in the gender sheet, which comes from, you'll remember, the koala sheet, and I'll just go ahead and create the graph. So I'm going to select all of this data, and a few things will come up which I won't want, but if you see them as well you can work out where you've gone wrong. So I choose all of this and I want to go insert, and I want it to be a pie chart. So 2D is fine, and this is my pie chart at the moment, and as you can see it looks pretty pathetic. I can't really tell too much about it, and there's too much information here in words. I don't want people to be concerned too much about the words, so I'm going to summarize column A just by putting in the important information. And once I've summarized it, you can see that it looks a lot better now. So my chart is here: females, males, unknown, blank, total, unknown, and total. Hopefully you've worked out that there's a few problems with this. One is that I'm showing the unknown and the blank, and then the total unknown, which is the sum of those two anyway. And I'm also showing the total, which I don't really want to do. As you can see, it takes up the most space. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to filter out some information. So first of all, chart filters. I don't want to see unknown, and I don't want to see blank. I just want to see the total unknown. I don't want to see this one that hasn't even got a title, and I don't want to see the total. When I press apply now, you can see that I only have females, males, and total unknown. I can also change the style, and I can change the labels and so on. I'm going to change the labels. So the data labels, if I click the triangle, I want it under more options. I want to show just the percentage. Okay, so I've got that. I'll just reduce that down. So now I've got the percentage of females, males, and unknown. I want my chart title to be something that makes a little bit more sense, so I'm going to put admittance to hospital. And my spreadsheet itself, I'm going to put an admittance to hospital heading as well. And just to make it look nice, I'm going to make that go over a number of cells, and I will merge and center it. And I might as well even make it bold and a little bit larger. I've used a filter to filter out data that I don't want to see. I've given my chart a title. I've changed the values to percentages and created a visualization of some data which people are going to find easy to read and easy to understand. In the next tutorial, we'll apply what we've just learned to some of the other data columns that exist in our koala base. Thanks for watching.